Hello. Today I'm going to show you some new features from the content editor in MyDenison. The content here was generated by ChatGPT. First, we'll show you the button link. So if you have a link, but you'd like to give it a little style, we've added a new feature to allow for that. Here, I'll select this text and click on the link button. I'll add the URL that we're trying to go to. And you'll notice down here, there's a couple options. We can flip one of these on and save it to turn that into a button. To edit it, just click on it again and select the pencil, and we can make it a large red button. A few other things that have been added is a grid. You can create 1 to 4 column grids. We'll create a 3-column grid. Here you've got the option to put it inside of a container, have no gutters, which means basically no space between the columns. And then you have some sizing options. This is meant for responsive design. So depending on the screen size, you can change how the columns appear. For instance, in larger screen settings, I'll set it to equal widths. I'll do that as well for medium screen settings. But then when we get to a small screen size, I'll change it to just be full width. So that way, when you're looking at it on a smaller device or mobile, the columns will show up on top of each other as opposed to next to each other. And you can save that. And you'll see the columns appear here. You can edit the content in each of the columns. You can even put buttons in the columns. Oops. So you'll see as the screen got smaller, these columns went on top of each other. And the last thing I'll show you is an update to the YouTube button. So you can add embedded YouTube videos inside of your pages by clicking on the YouTube button, pasting in the YouTube link, and then you have a couple options. You can set the aspect ratio of the video. In this case, our aspect ratio is 16 by 9. And then you can add the option to allow for full screen or not. And that's really it. And it will take up the full width of your page, and it will adjust its size based on the device that it's being shown on. And those are some of the new features of the MyDenison content editor.